Hey folks, it's November 2025 in Quartzsite, Arizona. That's our camp, and Ollie and I are just taking a walk around out in the backyard. Where is he? There he is. And I just want to give you a little 360 view of what's around us. It's been pretty rainy. Last night rained real hard, actually. Boy, the desert needs it. You can smell the creosote bushes, and everything's about as green as it can be. We've got some flowers blooming over there on the wash right straight ahead of me. Very comfortable time to be here. Woke up to about 60 degrees, and I think it's about as cool as it's going to get today, about as warm as it's going to get. Anyway, we'll see you folks later.